I wasn't gonna record this, but I decided to pick the camera up because this has been crazy. So anyway, I'm switching out the muffler, the exhaust muffler, and the header pipe. Now, to remove both of these, now if you know what you need to basically loosen up rusted screws and stuff like that, definitely get a can of that. But you're gonna have to separate both of these. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bolt from right here, which is this piece right here, is for that right there. Then this part right here is connected to this. Now you're gonna basically have to disconnect this middle part from here to pull it all the way off the bike. Now, this is the main thing that you gotta know. To actually take the header pipe on, now you see, I done got this one in here now after overnight thinking and looking stuff up. So you're gonna have to take the radiator fan. You're gonna have to unscrew this from here, and there's 3 screws. It's 1, 2, and the third one's right there. The third one right there. So you're gonna have to unscrew those 3. You don't have to disconnect this stuff right here because you see I just got it dangling right here. It'll be fine. What else you're gonna have to do is basically loosen the clamp on this radiator hose right here, or antifreeze hose, whatever you see. End up leaking out because I didn't know, but I loosened this up and then moved it out the way. Now you need to get something to, you should loosen up probably right here and pinch it so it don't fall out, but I'm not for sure, but that definitely came out and leaked all out. Then what else you're gonna have to do is, let me show you over here, because I thought that was it, but that's not. You're gonna have to unloosen this right here. I think this is like the thermostat right here, and that's bolted in right, let's see if I can get it right there. You see right here. So you're gonna have to unscrew this as well. Now, like I said, all the fluid and pretty much leaked out from when I did it on the other side. I'm just pretty much showing y'all, if you do those things right there, you'll be fine. You got to take off the back piece first, which is really only that 1 screw, and then you're gonna do the second bolt. These bolts right here, you're gonna do the second bolt and loosen it up. That way you can twist that and pull it from the back right here. And then this header pipe, you know, you gotta pretty much take this off right here to really get it off. But the screws end up scripting, like the L wrench script inside there. So yeah, the heat shield is gone, which that's fine anyway, because it's really don't care. So I don't have a heat shield, I just got to order another one. But once you get that off, you should be able to pull it off. But you got to take the fan, this part right here that I showed you, and then the hose off to get the header pipe out. Now, I did put this on yesterday. I'm also working on the dumb throttle as well. I took the stock one off. This is the stock one right here. Took that one off. Took this off, so I'm working on that. I got to get this cable twisted into this. It's like it's a different method that's on here. So this one's easier to take off and put on, but this one's a little bit different. So I'm working on that. Definitely got a whole bunch of more boxes in my house. I'm about to show y'all what it looked like when I'm done putting this part on, because literally it took a long time. But definitely, if you try and take this off, you're gonna have to follow those steps. You're gonna have to remove the hose right there, the thermostat part, as well as take the fan off as well. And then it'd be pretty much easy. Taking the back part off is literally just this 1 screw. That's pretty much the only thing holding it to the bike, and the rest is just clamped up to that header pipe. So I'm about to get ready and put this on and show y'all what it's like when it's done. All right, so I got everything assembled. I went on and tightened up the header pipe right there. Now, this right here, you see it's a gap. I want to tighten this up, but I believe I need another cap on top of this to tighten it all the way up. So I didn't even tighten this bolt all the way up, but everything fit. Just in case you're wondering, this is a Big Gun exhaust. I got the header pipe off eBay. I will put a link down in the description for both of these parts. But you see, man, you see you had these super rusted parts on here. Now we got this. Mind you, I still gotta get that piece for the middle. That way it'd be super secure on there. The heat shield I'm not too much worried about right now. I have to probably find a way to pry that off, and then if I do, I'm gonna probably paint it black. But I did get the thumb throttle on here, so the one I was just showing you earlier, got that figured out, so that's on here now. Definitely look way better, just because the scheme I'm going with the bike I got. It's gonna be y'all gonna see, man. Stay tuned. Like I said in my last video, I was gonna paint it, but I did end up getting some decals. I'm gonna put that stuff on there. So I just got this on here, put this on here yesterday. Got the exhaust pipe pretty much on there. Just gotta get this last part tightened up. And what's next? Okay, the fan still gotta go back on there. I may gonna leave the fan off because I got somebody picking the bike up now. I don't know how to do all these mods I have for the bike, so I am got somebody that's putting the board kit on there and the radiator and the carburetor and some other little stuff. I'm gonna do some stuff and then he gonna do some stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna put that back on there because you're gonna have to take that off pretty much to get this radiator off. So that's pretty much it for the video. Mainly I was just trying to tell y'all how to basically get the pipe off. The only reason I did the pipe myself because I thought it was gonna be simple, literally taking those bolts off, those, and then just pulling it out, but it definitely wasn't. You definitely gotta remove these parts. So like I said, you gotta take that fan off, this thermostat pipe part right here, as well as this hose right here, which I'm gonna put this back on here until slide that back on there. So yeah, you just unscrew this pretty much to loosen it and pull it off. But man, that's pretty much it for right now. Stay tuned for the next videos, man. I am recording pretty much all the ATV videos off my phone. That way I have to edit them and throw it back up, because pretty much these videos are straightforward. Install modifications, walkthroughs. I have to do this off my phone, edit it, and put it right up. So just drop a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, man. If you're into ATVs, man, let me know what you think about this new setup and what I got going on, man. I'm out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.